If you are looking for design tools for AI-generated visuals, templates, or creative assets, you have probably come across Weavy AI and Freepik. In this video, we'll quickly break down the key differences between them and help you decide which one is actually better for your needs. No fluff, just what it matters. What is Freepik? Freepik is one of the largest design resource platforms online. It offers millions of stock photos, vectors, icons, and templates, AI tools for image generation and editing, design templates for social media presentations and marketing, a huge contributor library, so content is constantly updated. Freepik is mainly built for designers, marketers, and content creators who want ready-made assets plus AI tools in one place. What is Weavy AI? Weavy AI is a newer focused creative tool designed to help users generate visuals and creative content using prompts. It typically focuses on AI image generation from text prompts, fast creative outputs for concepts and ideas, simpler workflows compared to full design platforms. Weavy AI is more about quick AI creation rather than large asset libraries or professional design systems. Key differences. Here's where they really differ. Content library. Freepik, huge library of stock assets and templates. Weavy AI, no large stock library, mostly AI generated content. AI capabilities. Freepik, AI tools plus traditional design resources combined. Weavy AI, AI first platform focused mainly on generation. Target users. Freepik for designers, agencies, marketers, and businesses. Weavy AI for casual creators, idea generation, quick visuals. Workflow. Freepik more structured, professional design workflow. Weavy AI faster, simpler, and more experimental. Pros and cons. Freepik Pros massive asset library, professional grade templates, reliable for commercial projects. Strong AI plus non AI tools combined. Freepik Cons some features locked behind subscription, can feel overwhelming for beginners. Weavy AI Pros very easy to use, fast AI image generation, great for brainstorming and concepts. Weavy AI Cons limited ecosystem compared to Freepik, not ideal for full design projects. Smaller feature set overall. Which one is better? This depends on your goal. If you need professional design work, marketing assets, or a full creative toolkit, Freepik wins here. If you just want quick AI generated visuals and simple creativity, Weavy AI is enough. Weavy AI is better as a lightweight creative tool, not a full design solution. Conclusion and final verdict. So the final verdict is simple. Freepik equal best all-in-one design and asset platform. Weavy AI equal fast and simple AI creativity tool. If you are building content professionally, go with Freepik. If you just want to generate ideas quickly, Weavy AI works fine. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.